Hello, my name is MALATHY Suresh. I am a homemaker, and this apartment at Platina, Appaswamy Platina, we decided about 1.5 years back, and we bought this. Basically meant to be our retirement home. And then we said, okay, whatever we do in this apartment has to be very simple. At the same time, it should be very efficient in terms of storage, in terms of cleaning, in terms of aesthetics, So, based on which we were, I did a lot of spade work in terms of getting a very apt design for this. I did a little bit of homework, and we were also talking to a few other agencies before we decided on Cookscape. So when we decided on Cookscape, we had two other agencies with whom parallelly I was discussing. I decided on Cookscape is only primarily because their design. Okay, whatever I had in mind, and I said I wanted this to be incorporated, they were able to do that for me. Number two, the spirit in which the design team had helped me, in terms of understanding. In case I had any doubt and I wanted them to do some spade work, they would do it for me immediately and come back. And number three is their design in terms of, if I wanted something better, then even Rakesh would help us in getting things done for us. Their terms and conditions seems to be very precise and clear. We agreed and we signed the dotted lines. Their payment terms were very flexible. Too happy with Cookscape, and I would kind of recommend them to my friends, primarily because they have the vision for the creativity is so good that they can give us some good designs. They were willing to adapt designs which I took it from IKEA, and I told them I wanted something like this. And they were not in any rush in terms of freezing and saying this is it and we cannot do anything more. Rakesh added more value to the whole proposition by suggesting that we take Alumix frames with whatever we did. Initially we didn't want Alumix. Primarily we were thinking about the slight increase in the cost, but then he came and told us the finish will be absolutely good. And so the credit mostly would go to their design team, the sales coordination team. They have a good customer services team too. But more so, even the carpenters who come to work at your site will also offer you suggestions. Why can't you do this? Why can't you do that? Not in terms of increasing revenue, but in increasing your utility, how well you do this thing. So given all that, I think I am very, very happy about, having assigned this work to Cookscape.